Steam won't open? It looks scary, but it's not a virus. It's a broken client. Here are 12 fixes from easiest to most advanced.
Before the fixes, 3 quick checks. 1. Click the Steam icon in the system tray. It may just be minimized. 2. Restart your PC. That clears temporary locks. 3. Launch steam.exe directly from the install folder. That bypasses a broken shortcut. Still nothing? Move on to fix 1.
Fix 1. Kill leftover Steam processes. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Type Steam in the search box. Right-click every Steam entry and choose End Task. Then relaunch Steam. It starts fresh.
Fix 2. Run Steam as an administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as administrator. Click Yes on the user account control prompt. Steam in program files needs admin rights to update itself. Without them, it can fail silently.
Fix 3. Clear Steam's user cache. Press Windows+R, type %, local app data, %. Press OK. Find the Steam folder. Right-click it and delete it. Steam rebuilds it on the next launch. Your games are safe.
Fix 4 and our top fix. Reset the config with steam://flushconfig. Press Windows+R, type steam://flushconfig. Press Enter. Steam resets its settings and asks you to sign in again. Games are never touched.
Fix 5. Clear the download cache inside Steam. Click Steam in the top left. Choose Settings. Go to the Downloads tab. Click Clear Download Cache. Confirm, and Steam restarts. This also fixes games that won't start.
Fix 6. Repair corrupted client files. In the Steam folder, delete steamui.dll, libstevia3.dll, and steamwebhelper.exe. Launch Steam as an administrator. It re-downloads fresh copies automatically. Fix 7. Compatibility Mode. Right-click the Steam shortcut. Open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Tick Run this program in Compatibility Mode for Windows 8. Tick Run as Administrator. Apply. This fixes weird client crashes on Windows 11.
Fix 8. Check your antivirus. In Windows Security, turn off real-time protection for a moment and test Steam. If it opens, add the Steam folder to exclusions. Allow steam.exe through the firewall, then re-enable protection. Fix 9. Update Windows or remove a bad update. Open Settings. Windows Update. Check for updates. If Steam broke right after an update, open Update History. Uninstall that update. Restart. In January 2026, Update KB5074109 broke many game launchers. Microsoft fixed it in later cumulative updates. Fix 10. Repair Windows system files. Right-click Command Prompt. Choose Run as Administrator. Run SFC/scanow. Wait for it to finish. Then run dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Corrupted system files can break Steam. These commands fix them. Advanced. If you see error 0xC0007B, reinstall the Visual C++ redistributables, both the x64 and the x86 version. And if nothing worked, reinstall Steam. Copy the Steam apps and user folders to your desktop. Uninstall Steam. Install it fresh. Paste the folders back. Your games stay intact. Why does this happen? Number 1. Leftover Steam processes. 2.
corrupted cache and config. 3. Corrupted client files. 4. Antivirus blocking Steam. 5. Permission problems. 6. Windows 11 updates and drivers. And no, this is not a virus. Every fix in this video is safe.
Which fix fits you? No window at all. Kill processes and clear the cache. Only opens as administrator. Permissions. steamui.dll error. Repair files. Broke after a Windows update. Update or remove it. Antivirus flagged Steam. Add exclusions. Everything failed. Reinstall? Not sure? Start with fix 1.
Start with these 3. Kill Steam processes. Clear the cache. Run as administrator. That covers most cases. Like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next fix.